your girl That Beauty Skincare. You're welcome back to my channel, guys. And if today is your first time of tuning in, I say welcome. Please feel free to stay with us and make sure to hit that notification bell and that subscribe button so that you will be getting all of my videos, guys. Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to make a Habiscus face cream. This is going to be amazing, one in town. This is going to clear your skin from the rashes. It's going to clear your skin from pimples. It's going to give you a unique and glowing skin, and it's going to give you 2 shades lighter. And this is Habiscus flower. This is it, guys. It's called Zobo in Nigeria. Yeah, it's called Zobo in Nigeria. This is it. So I'm going to formulate a face cream with this Habiscus flower. So guys, as I'm talking to you right now, as you're watching this video, if you have not subscribed, just press on like this, press on bakam. You're not paying, it's free. It's just a way of showing love and showing support, you know, giving us, telling us to go more, to do more. That is it, guys. Okay guys, hope you love my hair, and I made this myself. This is wig. I'm going to upload the video, and make sure to watch this video, and maybe you can also want to learn how to make your own wig yourself. Okay, stay tuned, guys, as I bring to you this recipe, and let's go to my workstation. See you soon. So guys, let's start. First of all, let me show you my recipe and my calculation. Okay guys, can you see it? I'm using ½ teaspoon of kojic acid, ½ teaspoon of alpha-arbutin, ½ teaspoon of NAICIN, 1/4 of glutathione, 1/4 of allantoin, and I'm using 20 ml of carrot oil, 20 ml of papaya oil, lightening glycerin 20 ml, shea butter 40 ml, and my wax, my wax is 40. Oh, here's my pen. I'm coming, guys. Okay guys, my wax is 40 ml, my emulsifying wax, and Habiscus oil 10 ml, and my water phase I'm using 200 ml. I might increase it to 250 later, but let's just start with 200 ml. And my preservative is ½ teaspoon. These are my measurements, guys. So these are my powders. I did the measurement already, and those are my oils. I have my papaya oil, carrot oil, and other oils also, guys. So here is my wax and my shea butter, and in here is my Habiscus. Yeah guys, you have to make it as a tea first. This is it, guys. You have to make it as a tea, then you are using the water, and you can also drink it. This is what they call Zobo in Nigeria. This is Zobo, guys. So after making the tea like this, if you want to drink it, after making the tea like this, you can add milk, you can add sugar, you can add other stuff that you want to add to it to make it a little bit tasty and nourishing. Then you can drink it. Okay guys, this is hot. It's already hot. So what I'm going to do, guys, is to go and melt my wax and my oil, and I will measure out my tea, my Habiscus tea. Then I'm going to see you soon. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere, guys. Okay guys, I already melt the shea butter. Oh, it's hot. Shea butter and my wax, and this is my Habiscus tea. This is it, guys. So what I'm going to do now is to measure out my other oils, 20 ml. And this is my papaya oil. Oh, gosh, this is much. And my carrot oil. ml. Guys, go and check out my other videos and you will see how I make these oils. This is my orange glycerin. This is glycerin, orange glycerin. Check out the video. Okay. And now my, what is it called? Habiscus oil, 10 ml. So this is actually, this is 2.5. I'm going to 1, 2, 4. So now what I'm going to do is to pour in my oil phase into my water phase, guys. This is lotion. Lotion is based on oil and water. It's hot. So guys, this is it. You just have to stir it. You can see how reddish this cream is going to look like. So this is it, guys. You can see at the beginning it's really going to look liquid, but as the temperature drops, the cream is going to start forming. Yeah, this is it, guys. So what I'm going to do is to give it a stir with my hand mixer, just to incorporate the oil and the water together. Okay guys, this is it. The cream is beginning to form, you can see. So what I'm going to do next now is to dissolve my powders. So let me keep this cream outside. Is to dissolve my powders, guys. And if you're working with water, guys, work with, no, let me show you. Okay, this is it. This is the kind of water you are going to work with. Don't use any water from the tap, guys, because we don't want any form of bacteria in our cream. And always work in a clean environment, guys. Make sure your environment is clean. So I'm going to make the double boiling method to dissolve these powders, because it's not going to dissolve like this. If you do it with cold water, you're still going to have some particles left. So I'm going to dissolve this with my double boiler method. So stay tuned and don't go anywhere, guys. Okay guys, I'm back. This is it. It has fully dissolved. You can see there is no particles left in this water. It is so clear. So what I'm going to do now is to add it to the cream and give it a stir. You can see the cream it has fully formed already. I don't want this cream to be too thick because this is summertime and this is face cream also, you know. So that is why I did not use stearic acid. If you want your cream to be thick, then you add stearic acid to it. So guys, this is my glutathione powder. I actually use the capsule form. Yeah, this is the capsule form. So I'm going to add my glutathione powder, and now I'm going to add my allantoin powder. This is it, guys. So now it's time to mix with our mixer. I have to mix the powder so that everything will incorporate very well. So guys, now I'm going to add my vitamin E oil because the temperature is okay now to add the vitamin E oil. So I'm using the capsule form. So I'm just going to take 4 capsules of vitamin E oil. So I'm going to add my vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is very good to take out fine lines and wrinkles from your face. And it's still going to expand the shelf life of your cream. So I actually used 3. So what I'm going to do is to stir this. So this is your cream, guys. So now what I'm going to do now is to add my this is my tea tree essential oils. It's very good for acne, wrinkles, and fine lines. So this is the measurement that I'm using. And my preservative. This is the measurement that I'm using. I already left my measurement. I'm still going to leave my measurement below the description box. This is my preservative, guys. So voila, we are done. Now is to mix all together. So now, guys, I'm going to add my strawberry fragrance oil. So this cream is for somebody, but I don't know if the person will like fragrance oil because some people don't actually like their cream smelling in their body, you know, on their body. So, but let me just give it a try. So that is why I'm not using the ash fragrance oil. I'm just using the light fragrance oil. Strawberry is a light fragrance oil. It's not too ash. So this is it, guys. And I'm just going to mix together. The cream is smelling strawberry. And it really has the color of strawberry, you know. Wow, this is nice. So guys, I'm still going to add my lavender. I almost forgot. This is the drop that I will be using. This is okay. Then we'll give it a stir. So guys, before you pour this into your container, make sure your container is well washed and make sure to spray with alcohol so that you don't want to contaminate your cream. This is it, guys. Make sure to spray to kill every germs remaining in this cup. Just have to kill the germs, kill the bacteria. So, and you wipe with your paper. So guys, if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, you are missing. Make sure to subscribe and make sure to turn up the notification bell. Share this video with your friends, with your family. Like this video and leave your comments below, guys. So this is it now. I'm just going to see how this is lovely. So should I call this reddish face cream or pinkish face cream? Just going to pour this into my container, guys. Wow. Yo, man. Okay, guys, this is what I got. This is 258 ml, and this is not up to this. Let me say this is 200 ml, but still is not full because the person that requested for this cream, the cream for her is 250 ml, and this is the extra left. So I'm going to keep this for myself. So let's give it a try, guys. You can see how light this cream looks like. Okay, I'm coming. This is it on my hand. So this is it, guys. I love this feeling, you know. So guys, make sure to subscribe, leave your comments below, and just tell me what you think about my pinky face cream. This is nice, and it does not stain. It will not stain your skin, so don't panic, guys. It won't stain your skin. This is it. You see my hands? It won't stain your skin, guys. So stay tuned. I love you all. Bye.